Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James and welcome to the final part of me building my dream home. Woo! Okay guys, so we're going to start off in the master bedroom. So like we're going to be doing the master bedroom, this, and we're also going to do the cinema room. I done some of this yesterday, like the gym and the guest room and like the bathrooms, because I didn't think you'd want to sit through that. Also, we did my favorite thing, which is the wine cellar, but I'll show you that more in detail later, so you just have to keep tight. Also accessorize some of the shelves. I'm not going to do all of them because literally like that would actually, I just don't have the time. Don't have time to be doing all them shelves, but like when I move in here in the future I will. So, you know, keep an eye out for that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years down the line. Now, I don't know what kind of a bed I want, to be completely honest. I think I want like a 4-poster bed. Like, maybe like more of a black one. I think would be cool. Like, yeah, but also I'd like to have like the sheer kind of drapes on it. I don't know, I kind of want that, but also I don't at the same time. I'm going to do the bathroom first. So I'm going to put the sink here, question mark, or will I put the toilet in here and then the sink along here? Yeah, I think I'm gonna put the toilet in here because so let me just because I don't want the toilet to sit on the middle of the floor here, like, unless I just, you know what, let's just get the bathtub in first, because that's what I'm most excited for, because I really want the bathtub to be like front and center here. So which one do we want? Okay, so we have this, which is a viable option. Oh, this one is cool. Like, it's like a, what colors does it come in? Oh, this is nice. Oh, I like this one. It's like an egg. It's like an egg. I love it. Okay, so we're probably gonna go with that one. That was pretty easy. I don't want the tub to be like too disconnected, so I kind of want to add like one of these chairs into the bathroom as well, because, you know, like, just kind of, I don't know, I just kind of like the idea of having like a chair to relax in there as well. You know, like, just so you know, I don't know. I just thought it'd be nice, you know. Whether or not it will look nice or not, that's another question, but you know what, we're going to try it and see. I'm definitely going to change the colour of it because I kind of want to add in, you know, more of a brown leather sort of vibe in here. Yeah, like the brown. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. Oh my god, that is so nice. Okay, let's clone this guy. This is where, you know, you can sit whilst, I don't know, if your partner's in the bathtub and you're just chilling and talking, or if you're getting ready in the morning and you want to sit down for a second. I don't know what you do in the bathroom, but you know, who knows? So we're going to put like a plant here then, like maybe, oh my god, a tree. I'd love to put a tree in, oh my god. So now what do we want to do? I kind of want to add like, you know, a couple of pictures here. I mean, probably art isn't the best thing to put into a bathroom, you know, like with humidity from like the shower or the bathtub in this instance. Probably isn't the best thing to add to a bathroom, but you know what, this isn't real life. This is the Sims, so you can put whatever you want in here. This is it. Oh my gosh, how gorgeous is that? I mean, it is like a very contrasted, like you have like the more natural kind of thing, so maybe it's not the best image to have. Maybe it's because it's so big, maybe a bit smaller. Oh, not there. Oh, no. Oh. There. But you know, we're just gonna rock with it and just see where it goes, you know, just let it live. Ooh, I kind of want to have a doggy bed in my room. But like, is there gonna be a cute one? Probably not. So like, maybe not. We're just not gonna even go there, apparently. Oh yes, definitely a mirror. I want like a floor lamp mirror so I can take like, you know, cool selfies and stuff. Do I want like that size? Yeah. And I'll put like a plant or something there. And then just keep the bedroom very basic, you know, very simple and easy. Like another one of these kind of plants I like. It's kind of overlapping the mirror a bit. Yeah. very cute. I like that a lot. And I might have like, you know, maybe here, maybe like a print, just, you know, to add some interest. So it's not, you know, boring looking. And I'm thinking I'm gonna put my favorite print. This one, but that's very big. So let's scale it down to about there. And how do I feel about that? I feel like that kind of ties in these and this. So I like it. Okay, let's get the cinema room done because, you know, that's the next priority. So basically down here you come down and there's like this is like the guest bedroom here, one of the guest bedrooms. Then you come through this arch and then this is going to be like a kind of chill out area, like almost like an activity room, like a studio kind of place. And there's also like the garage in here. But this is going to be the cinema across the hallway from the wine cellar, which, you know, I mean, hello. Obviously, so I'm probably gonna put like a countertop here. That's gonna be where like the kind of popcorn machine and stuff will go. Okay, and I'd love to actually put like curtains, like, I don't know, like maybe like along in here, along the whole back wall. I think that'll look really cool. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, that's actually getting me excited now. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, I think that's like very kind of like luxurious and kind of glamorous. Like just having drapes, and also like I think it would really help like absorb the sound. So I'm gonna like put the whole room in black. Oh, I would love to. I would actually love to chill out in here. Oh my god. And I'd also love to put a fireplace in, but like I don't think that's very safe. Put this room in black as well. Okay, guys, it's been a journey to say the least. Ugh, and an exhausting journey at that. But we've done it. We've built my dream home. Now obviously it's not exactly it because, you know, it's The Sims, it's not real life, so there's a lot of like restrictions. So we're going to start on we'll have a look on the outside first, actually, just have a little walk around. I also added stairs back here because, you know, I'm going to put a pool here eventually, like in the future, because I already own this house. So then you come in, and this is your foyer, with your stairs going upstairs, and then you come into your like dining room, kitchen area, which, I mean, hello, like this is $1 million view right here. Oh my god, like just coming out and then having the bifolding doors. Like, can you get any better? No, you cannot. Now, ideally, like, I'd have this table bigger because, you know, I'll have, like, entertaining a lot. So, anyway, kitchen, love the kitchen, love all, like, the brown tones. The pantry is in here. It's almost like a butler's pantry, almost like a butler's kitchen, because there's, like, the microwave and stuff in there and sink. Like, it's almost like a second little kitchen. Then we have the living room. I love the living room. I think it's so nice. It turned out so well. And like, yeah, I mean, I think I've already talked enough about the living room, to be honest. But like, also when you're in here, it's the more traditional side, but like you still get them views. Like, look at them views. Oh my god, beautiful. Like, I could nearly just like sit here. Like, imagine coming out here and looking out onto this. Oh, like, gorgeous. Okay, so let's go back inside. Then you come through here into like the second entry for your area. This is where you have my office, the entry to the ground floor, because this will be the first floor, the ground floor, and then the main bathroom. And there's also like another entryway here, so, you know, if someone comes to the door or someone comes in and you're trying to sneak out, you go this way. This is the office. I love the office. Then you come downstairs. Okay, this is the garage. So when you're in the garage, you can come through here into the laundry room. This is where like all the clothes get washed and everything. It's a really cute area. We've got some like ironing boards and everything. Now you probably won't ever see me in here, but like, you know, that's where it is. Then we have the gym with some like workout mats and everything. To be honest, I don't use the gym, so like, I don't really know what's supposed to go into it. But like, and then we have like the foyer for like the ground floor. So you come in, you can come this way, choose the bathroom down here, or you can come this way to use the wine cellar, my favorite room of the house. Like, look how, like, just imagine coming in here with your friends, like, oh, let's go get some wine, and come here, you can sit here and chat. There's like kind of like iron bars here because it's like, you know, a cellar, and it looks out onto this area, which is going to be like a seating area, and then like a playroom and stuff. So yeah, and then I kind of made in here a different color because it kind of picks up on the colors from the rug, but also kind of differentiates the areas. So you come through, you have like there's a beautiful mirror here, so you look through, like, it looks like there's like 50 different rooms down the hallway. Through here to the guest room, there's like a little entryway to the guest room. Then you have the guest room, some more built-in shelving, bedroom. I love this bathroom because you come in, there's like built-in shelving, a mirror, shower, everything you need really. And then upstairs you have like this, just ignore this is a disaster. These are 2 other bedrooms and the master bedroom and my balcony, and that is the dream home, guys. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know all your thoughts down below. As always, I love to hear them. So do let me know down below what your dream home looks like, because that would be fun to read. And with that being said, guys, I really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And whilst we're in this quarantine, uploading extra videos every week, so you do not want to miss them. So be sure to hit that bell so you're notified when they're posted. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.